Hello, wisdom seekers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with fire quartz, also known as hematoid quartz, the stone of focused intention. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. I just published my first book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change. If you're interested in learning how to incorporate crystal practices into your life right now, then check that out. I'll put that in the eye above. Today, we're going to talk about how you can incorporate the benefits of fire quartz into your everyday life. This is the stone of focused intention because it combines the qualities of clear quartz and hematite. And you may be wondering, what does hematite have to do with this gemstone? And that is because at its core, hematite isn't black or the shiny chrome color that you often see. But if you do a scratch test with hematite, you run hematite over a piece of ceramic, that streak of particles from the gemstone is red, deep red. And so the inclusions in fire quartz are hematite, and that is what gives it the flame looking quality inside this gemstone. And it's incredibly useful to your everyday life. This is the gemstone of focused intention. And the first benefit of working with fire quartz is that, like clear quartz, it amplifies energies. So this is extremely useful for all types of energy workers. Even if you're just doing energy work for your own personal practice, or whether you're providing energy assistance and healing to other people, fire quartz is a gemstone that magnifies the energy that you send to yourself or to the clients. Whether you work with Reiki healing, Tai Chi, acupuncture, chakra healing, any practice in which you move, direct, or send energy, this is an incredibly practical stone to use during your sessions. This is a stone that will also amplify the energies of other gemstones. So if you combine it with other gemstones, it will help boost their supportive properties. If you're feeling like you need a little bit extra of what a gemstone provides, hold it with fire quartz and it magnify the energy so it's easier for you to work with, easier for you to receive, and easier for you to sense. Fire quartz also boosts the energy of energetic meditation spaces and the spaces that you use for spiritual practices. So if you put large pieces of fire quartz around your practice room, it will amplify all of the energies for any kind of meditation or practice that you do within that space. The second benefit of working with fire quartz or hematoid quartz is that it helps to strengthen your presence during meditation. If you find it difficult to settle into meditation or to focus during meditation, maybe you're doing a meditation practice that has you focus on your breath or focus on the image of a flame, focus on a mantra, and you keep on getting distracted, fire quartz will help you be able to focus on whatever the purpose of that meditation is. It also helps you to remain present, alert, and focused during spiritual practices, rituals, and spiritual classes. Sometimes we get easily distracted. It's the nature of our mind. And if you really want to give your practice or your learning space that extra attention, bringing fire quartz with you, wearing it or holding it in your hand or your pocket, will help you pay attention to what you're supposed to be learning, to the intention or purpose of the spiritual practice, and the intention or purpose of the meditation. It's excellent to take with you or wear anytime you're doing practices or taking a spiritual class. The third benefit of working with fire quartz is that it strengthens our intention. This is a phenomenal stone for helping you create very clear, strong intentions for what you're trying to manifest in your life, and help you discover exactly how you can make your dreams a reality. Sometimes when we're setting intentions, they might be too vague. We may not see them rising up in our lives because they're not specific enough to what we're looking for. For example, if you're inviting love into your life, you may receive the love of a pet, you may receive the love of a friend, but if you're really looking for relationship love, then sitting with fire quartz will help you narrow down exactly what you're looking for in life. This really helps when you are trying to determine how you can practically seek that out in your life. Fire quartz is extremely effective for planning your future. When you are doing vision boards, if you are planning a project, if you are planning out how to manifest something in your life, fire quartz helps give you that attention to detail, that clarity that will enable you to map out the path that you can take to bring the dreams from the ether of your mind into reality, into your everyday life. And then the fourth benefit of working with fire quartz is that it increases motivation and determination. Named fire quartz because it looks like there are flames trapped in the clear quartz. This is a stone that helps stoke the fires in your life. It helps give you that motivation to start in on projects, to try something new, to take a chance in your life, to move forward with something that you've been hesitant about. It also helps increase determination in your life. If you've tried something and it didn't work out the way you wanted, it gives you that energy to try again. Or if you're working on a long-term project, it gives you the perseverance to keep going till the end, even when your energy starts to lag for it. It increases the motivation, the perseverance, the determination to bring your dreams into reality. Fire quartz is an amazing stone to help you stay on point, determined, and moving forward during meditations, spiritual practice, learning, and projects. This stone helps you accomplish what you set out to do. It's an amazing and powerful stone. It's one of my very favorites, and if you haven't worked with it before, I highly encourage you to get a piece of this stone and sit with it to feel its energy. Thank you so much for sitting with me today to hear about the benefits of fire quartz and how it can support your everyday life. If you found this useful and you think that fire quartz is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days, I will be posting a guided meditation designed specifically for fire quartz. And you do not need to have a piece of this gemstone to benefit from the meditation. But if anything in this video or any of the prompts in the guided meditation really speak to you, they feel familiar or trigger you in a little way, then that's a sign that you should get some fire quartz and work with it some more. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have been watching my videos and you're enjoying them and you haven't yet subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.